राज्य कर खात्यान सेवा पखवाडा 2025 खाला राज्य पावंड्यावेलो अवेरनस कॅम्प आयोजीत केल्लो. न्यू सेटलमेंट स्कीम आनी नेक्स्ट जेन GST रिफॉर्म्स संदर्भात कॅम्पाचें आयोजन केल्लें. कॅम्पाक राज्य कर खात्याचो कमिशनर, डेप्युटी कमिशनर आनी हेर स्टेट टॅक्स अधिकारी हाजीर आशिल्ले.
आपके पास जब आप बिल लेते हैं आपको पता चल जाएगा रफली फूड आइटम्स या तो 0 है या 5%. दैट इज़ ऑन गिविंग बूस्ट टू द रियल एस्टेट. वी ऑलवेज यूज टू टॉक कि हम लोग भाई एक तरफ बूस्ट की बात हो रही है, सीमेंट 28% पे है. आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन ग्रेट थिंग विच हैज़ हैपेंड. सो आई थिंक it's a huge plus point. So I think as a part of the thing we can always do कि they should seek the bill so that bill होगा तो उसके ऊपर it will be very clear what is the CGST and SGST. ये जो हमारा ग्रेटिपोस एक्ट था, वन टाइम सेटलमेंट स्कीम, which was itself a big success because we got about 4,500 applications which are under process, plus more than 20,000 people have got the benefit of the one time settlement scheme. Means basically any tax dues below 10,000 were given automatic certificates. So because we still realize कि there are certain people who miss the bus, so ये भी एक आए through your offices and yourself, I would request that a message should be sent that anybody who has not taken advantage of the Gratis Act, this is the last opportunity for them, 31st December, for them to apply. We have already uploaded the form, it is available, so we have 3 months to do that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.